A cleaning drive of Motphran area had taken place on the morning of 25th September 2021. The drive had been carried out by the DORBAR SHNONG, SENG KYNTHEI and SENG SAMLA WAHTHAPBRU along with the Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, and assisted by the Shillong Municipal Board and Fire and Emergency Services. Members of the public that included street hawkers and vendors had also participated in the cleaning drive. The morning witnessed the enthusiastic and active participation of the public, especially womenfolk of WAHTHAPBRU locality, under the able leadership of their president Pariyat. The main objective of the drive was to create awareness about the significance of cleanliness, especially in an area most frequented by the public. Waste and other unwanted materials that had found their way through drains and roadside corners were all removed, making the area once again trash-free.